Well, the future is now, and artificial intelligence is making economic waves, but is it worth the risk? The biggest names in tech pouring massive amounts of money into AI development. Google's parent company, Alphabet, now committing $40 billion to AI projects in the state of Texas. But not everyone believes the investments make sense. NewsNation's Xavier Walton joining us in Dallas. Xavier, with so many companies spending money on AI, the question remains, is the boom actually happening, or does this spell trouble ahead?
And Marni, it is a great question to ask, but it looks like the boom is in fact real, but there's a caveat, small caveat. It comes with real risk. It also comes with, real warning signs from people who have been doing this a really long time. As we reported, earlier this week, just yesterday, Google confirmed, you mentioned it, a $40 billion investment in Texas, in the Lone Star State, through 2027, building new AI data centers, expanding campuses across the Dallas area. Analysts say, projects like this are backed by long-term AI contracts and massive demand for computing power. But there's always a but. At the same time, a Bank of America fund manager survey finds more than half of big investors now believe AI stocks are in bubble territory, calling an AI bubble the top risk to markets. Now, part of the fear is coming because it's tied to one of the biggest names in AI, NVIDIA, the chip maker driving the boom. Michael Burry, the investor who correctly predicted the 2008 mortgage crisis, now betting, listen to this, $1.1 billion against NVIDIA. Tech billionaire Peter Thiel, best known for co-founding PayPal and Palantir Technologies, recently, what he did, revealed he sold his hedge fund's entire stake in NVIDIA. So with these moves, people are saying, wait a second, is this a boom, or is this gonna, this bubble gonna burst? And that's where people are kind of saying, proceed with caution. You got to really pay attention.
Yeah, if it does feel like the train has left the station, the concern I have is we just don't know where it's going. For anyone with a 401k or an IRA and memories of the dot-com bubble, Xavier, what should they be watching right now?
Yeah, Marni, you're not alone. I'm right there with you. But really a few things people should be paying attention to. The first and foremost, pay attention to earnings. You got to watch your earnings. NVIDIA reports tomorrow. Wall Street is treating this like a referendum on the entire AI trade as a whole. Second, you're going to want to watch the insiders, not just us, obviously, here on NewsNation, but the people who do this for a living. And when people like, Thiel and Burry are cashing out or making bearish bets, I mean, that's important, especially when it's against the sector. Investors take note of that. Third, you got to watch the build out itself. The firm spending these billions of dollars say, the bigger the risk, it's the bigger risk here. It's not just investing enough.
The lesson of the dot-com is there was a bubble, it burst. We don't think we're in one now for AI, but companies didn't stop spending on Wi-Fi, the internet, and technology.
Everyone seems to be in a race of trying to get as much as possible and secure that for the customers and things like that.
So with these new data centers fill up, whether profits catch up, that essentially is going to decide if this stays a boom or turns into an AI bubble burst, if you will. That's something we're going to be watching over the next few quarters. But either way, I like the way you put it. The train is here. Are we going to miss it taking off? It's...
It's a little scary, I think, the whole AI thing. I have found ways that it's really helpful, but I'm also concerned it's getting too far ahead of us, too smart.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.